if you're using multiple systems and then you're creating multiple integrations, and the integration is not necessarily seamless, and then the user now needs to go and log in and check things in each of these different applications, you now have, from a user perspective, the challenge of navigating different applications. And on the other hand, you have now developed a custom solution that you now need to maintain. So you are in a scenario where continuous maintenance of existing systems, and secondly, you created custom code that you also have to now maintain during the upgrades, etc., as you go along. So that then creates a higher cost of managing the overall solution, which means you continue to keep those applications that otherwise there are better ways to manage, and that creates the debt that you want to try to get rid of as much as possible.
Yeah,